faire,
to do, or
to make.
in this video, we will learn how to say the verb to do in the future tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in future tense, we need to know the future stem and the future ending, which we have already learned in our earlier video.
To refresh your knowledge, here is the table of future ending that we have learned.
In French, some verbs do not follow any pattern for conjugation. This verb falls in same category.
You don't have to apply any rule or logic to get the future stem. So, the future stem of this verb is written like this.
As you can see, there is no correlation between the verb and future stem. We just have to remember it.
Now, we have subject pronoun, future stem, and future ending.
Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in future tense. I will do.
je ferai,
You will do, in formal way.
tu feras,
He will do, masculine.
il fera,
She will do,
Feminine.
elle fera,
we will do, formal way.
nous ferons,
You will do, formal way.
vous ferez,
They will do, group of males or mixed people.
ils feront,
They will do, group of only females.
elles feront.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the future tense, let's explore some examples.
I will do my homework tonight.
Je ferai mes devoirs ce soir. Je ferai mes devoirs ce soir.
You will cook for dinner.
Tu feras la cuisine pour le dîner. Tu feras la cuisine pour le dîner.
He will do sports tomorrow morning.
Il fera du sport demain matin. Il fera du sport demain matin.
She will go shopping this afternoon.
Elle fera du shopping cet après-midi. Elle fera du shopping cet après-midi.
We will take a walk in the park.
Nous ferons une promenade au parc. Nous ferons une promenade au parc.
You will do a presentation at the meeting.
Vous ferez une présentation lors de la réunion. Vous ferez une présentation lors de la réunion.
They will do gardening this weekend.
Ils feront du jardinage ce week-end. Ils feront du jardinage ce week-end.
They will make a cake for the birthday.
Elles feront un gâteau pour l'anniversaire. Elles feront un gâteau pour l'anniversaire.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
Je ferai. Tu feras. Il fera. Elle fera. Nous ferons. Vous ferez. Ils feront. Elles feront.
For quick reference, I have organized the verb conjugations into a structured table. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing.
Goodbye for now, and see you in next video.
Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.